Hello, flower friends. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and I'm just dropping in for my invitation for you to join me over for the live show that's going to be starting in just 13 minutes. And we have an amazing show lined up today. I am doing seed starting 101, y'all, for indoor seed starting. We have, I've got some beautiful seedlings to show and share with you. And we just have a great show. And we're actually, this kind of launches the season of the year where we're showing some of our dried flowers. And of course, we're talking cool flowers, y'all. Do you need a cool flower rescue? Are you scared to death about your cool flowers? First off, don't be. Secondly, I'm going to tell you what my plan is to take care of my concerns and worries about cool flowers. So if you've never joined in our live show before, it happens inside our free phone app. You can just go to your phone's app store, or you can just comment app here, APP, and we'll DM you the link, or go over to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop Live Shop. We have a shopping app, and we also have a learning app. You'll see both of them there over in the on the store. And I'll just give you a little tip. You can download our Learn app, and even if you don't have a course with us or you're not a member of the Flower Farmer Club, inside that app waiting for you is a free course. And you have to go check it out. I'm not even going to tell you what course it is. It's a special course that I made just for that, so you can check that out. So join me in just 11 minutes inside my phone app. And the reason you want to come in the app instead of watching it through social, there are so many more ways for you to be involved. First off, you get to participate in the giveaway. I give away something really great every single week. This week it's a $25 store credit to one lucky live viewer. Got to be in the app to participate. And when you're in the app, you can also converse with the other live viewers, and that is always a spirited conversation. And the show is from 12 to 1. I do a little talking, and then I demonstrate, and then we look at some of the tools of the trade that I use and how and why I use them, as well as then we're going to finish it up with the dried flowers that I've chosen for today, as well as a live Q&A at the very end. So friends, grab your lunch, get a beverage, download the app, Gardener's Workshop Shop app. It's free, works great, and you're going to love it. So join me inside the app, y'all, till we meet again in 10 minutes. Ciao.